10 Gold Price Prediction Next 10 Years. Gold has long been a trusted asset, especially during uncertain times. Here are 10 key factors that might influence gold prices in the coming decade. 1. Economic instability and safe haven demand. Geopolitical tensions and economic uncertainty drive demand for gold as a safe asset. Forecast: $2,800 to $3,200 per ounce in 5 years. 2. Inflationary pressures. Gold is a hedge against inflation. Rising inflation could push gold prices higher. Forecast: $3,000 to $3,500 per ounce by 2034. 3. Monetary policies and interest rates. Lower negative interest rates boost gold's appeal. Forecast: stabilize around $2,700 to $3,000 per ounce in the next decade. 4. Technological advancements and industrial demand. Gold's use in technology and industry is growing, increasing its value. Forecast: $2,600 to $2,900 per ounce soon. 5. Currency fluctuations and gold pricing. A weaker dollar can lead to higher gold prices. Forecast: $2,800 to $3,200 per ounce over the next decade. 6. Supply constraints and mining challenges. Challenges in gold mining limit supply, pushing prices up. Forecast: $2,900 to $3,300 per ounce. 7. Investment trends and portfolio diversification. Investors see gold as a way to reduce risk in their portfolios. Forecast: $2,700 to $3,100 per ounce. 8. Global economic growth. Emerging markets, especially in Asia, will increase gold demand. Forecast: $2,800 to $3,200 per ounce. 9. Geopolitical tensions and market uncertainty. Gold prices rise during geopolitical crises. Forecast: $3,000 to $3,500 per ounce. 10. Sustainability and ethical considerations. Ethically sourced gold may command higher prices. Forecast: $2,700 to $3,000 per ounce. Multiple factors suggest a bullish trend for gold prices in the next decade. Investors should keep an eye on these influences to make informed decisions. Free Gold IRA Guide. Learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Download your free Gold IRA Guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.